We're hitting the 48 hours. Am I out of my element? Probably. Do I feel like a needle in a haystack, being the only foreigner? Yeah, a little bit. I have honestly not seen another foreigner since I left Lhasa. Since the two French people that jumped in the car with me to go to the train station. And I'm not even lying. Not at any of these stations 50 hours later and nearly 5,000 kilometers later. Like I'm trying to spot one just so I can say hello. Hello. Just, you know, just a word of English would be good. Anyway, I get to Shanghai. I reckon we're another hour off. And then the plan is to go and get a coffee. Got to just try and find either, I know it's going to sound gross, but a McDonald's or a Starbucks or something that's familiar. So I've got internet because I've got no service on my phone. I don't know what's happening with my VPN. That's crashed. I don't know if my internet data's out, but I doubt it. So something's happened. I've got screenshots of my accommodation address in Chinese, so that's probably my best thing that I did. Other than that, we've just got to wing it, guys. Welcome to China. Welcome to China. You speak Chinese? Ni hao. Xie xie. Also, what I wanted to mention was the bullet trains. If we're going at 140 k's an hour, you want to see the one that passed us on the other track. It was, mate, it was flying. I haven't been on a bullet train. I've never seen a bullet train until yesterday, and today one in action, and I'm quite impressed. So we will have a look into how many hours it is to get up to Beijing. I don't know if I can do another 2 nights on one of these things. A one-nighter would be okay once we get to the apartment. And then I'll look into it. There's a bullet train opposite us. On the move again, let's roll, let's roll. Shanghai. Oh, pretty hungry for a Western meal, to be honest. Thinking of pizza. Pizza and beer. Oh, mate, stop it. Still on the train. 51 hours. It's going to be nice to get off this train, I can tell you right now. Get some food. Get a beer. You know how it goes. You know what time it is. Woo! I might have said it before, but I got to give it to the Chinese. We're not that far out of one of the biggest cities in the world. And if there's a strip of land, they are farming on it. It's awesome. Awesome to see. It could be no land wasted. I know there's a lot of people here, but there's no land wasted. Like there's factories, then there's a river, then there's a strip. It's loaded. It's absolutely loaded. Everybody's out there Sunday watering their veggie patches. I'm not sure if this is the last stop. A clue if it's the last stop. Alright, first guy that could speak English, he said yes. This is Shanghai Railway Station. Welcome! We are off there, and that was 51 hours and 17 minutes, guys. Woo, that is my longest journey, I think, in my life to date. All right, what next? Well, now I've got to navigate, obviously out of here, and then we'll see what happens. I've got no idea anything about this station other than I think it's going to be pretty huge. Geez, the amount of people smoking cigarettes is full on. Where do I go? I'm just following the exit, following the crowd. Being like one of those little black sheep. I don't know, do we turn left or do we turn right? Well, they're asking for... I have no idea. I'm going to go this way. And exiting, I don't know. I don't know if I show my QR code. Because if they want payment or a card, then I don't have one. But I paid $344, so I'm just going to say, let me the freaking hell out, mate. I want to get out. I want to get up into the open. Food, I don't know. Fucking don't know nothing. New place, man. Never been to Shanghai before. He couldn't understand me. He didn't say anything. I said, I've just come from Lhasa. I said, whatever. I'm going through here. Please don't try and stop me. All right. Just trying to vision just something that resembles, or I didn't think I'd ever say this, but I'm looking for a McDonald's or a Star. Oh, there's a 7-Eleven, but that ain't gonna help me. That's the first thing that I've seen is a 7-Eleven. But I want somewhere that's gonna have Wi-Fi and I can sit down, I can have something to eat, I can have a coffee or a beer or fucking whatever comes first, man. Well, I can't e-hail because I've got no internet. So I'm gonna have to go. Yeah. All right, no, feeling good. Just gotta, oh, that's their coffee shops, is the Luckin Coffee. Okay, but that's over there. I can't get over there. Rogie, good to see they got 7-Elevens. 7-Eleven's all good, but I'm not sure if they've got a scanner. Like if they can scan my QR code on Alipay, awesome. But if I've got to use theirs, well then I'm buggered without internet. Well, I've just seen a Starbucks fucking coffee sign. Would you believe it? So that's where we're going. I've got cash on me. Let's get in there. Let's get in our iced coffee. Let's get some internet. And we'll go from there. Yeah. All right, iced latte. See, if they've got, if they can scan your QR code, then it's so straightforward. So there's my. So Alipay is awesome like that, but then in a lot of the other things, I'm just going to have to go around. I think 7-Eleven and stores like that will be the same as here. Otherwise, I'm always going to have to carry my iPad around with me, so I've got service. Anyway, let's wait for the coffee and then let's do some work. What to do? I can't mess. Alright, no Wi-Fi. So my best bet is just to go to a taxi, show them the photo of the address and start heading there, I suppose. There's not much more I can do without the VPN because nothing, very limited with apps because they use all different apps. I don't even think they use Google. Booking.com's not working. Well, I'm just going to enjoy this and this coffee and we'll mosey on. Sachet, thank you. And let's all say thank you to Starbucks. All right. Now let's go find a taxi in this crazy city. Still haven't seen a foreigner. Might be the only one in China. Oh, the weather's good. Once again, I have no idea where I'm going. Bus, bus, bus. Hey, where's that sign that said taxis? Fucking police stations everywhere. Oh, I just saw a McDonald's. I wonder if they'll have Wi-Fi. Anyway, now it says taxi this way. Fuck, you kidding me? You're killing me. And I can see taxi. Taxi where? Hey. Man, there's just shopping malls everywhere. There's one there, there's one there, there's one there, there's one there. All right. Taxi. I don't want to get on another fucking train. I mean, train, sorry. For the language. I'll be going over to this fridge in a minute and grabbing a beer. No, Reese, don't get drunk. Now I'm on the street. I don't know where that taxi sign went. I know there's a taxi right there, but see, everything's that little bit of a more challenge when you do not have internet or your phone. But we'll work it out. Don't you worry about that. I know it's too far to walk. I've already sussed that out. I don't know if jaywalking's a thing here, but the policeman down there was looking at me, but all right, there's a taxi rank. Fucking hell, we're, oh, fucking, mate, it's like I've been here before. I'm like a local. Fucking Shanghai Shillong. Mate, some flash cars. Look at that. I still don't know where a taxi rank is. Taxi. Taxi, taxi, taxi. Oh, he just pointed over there. I just saw a taxi, actually. Okay. I don't know. It's all right, we've got all day. Mate, look, one fly rye and two dim sim. At least I'm not as dim as I sim. All right, oh. Oh, yeah, right. Stoned and lost in Shanghai. Well, definitely not stoned like off weed. because you'd be grabbing your toothbrush, wouldn't you? And be going to the clink. Hey, this is tripping me out. I'm on the wrong side of the road here. Woo! Disappeared. Like, what is going on here? Oh, there they are there. I'm thinking they're going down underground. Oh, taxi, hello. Oh, now everybody's on the other side where I need to go. It's definitely going to be one of those places where everybody's looking at their phone. All right, I come down this way before. Oh my God. Fucking taxis there, but they're going, oh my God, now I've got to go all the way back past Starbucks, taxi pickup. You see that big blue sign up there? I'm like, yeah, mafia, brother, mafia. Where's your uncle with that Lamborghini? Fucking send him in. Send him in. Now, it says taxi there, and then nothing. Oh, taxi downstairs. Ah, look. Fuck, you got to keep your eyes peeled, man. Taxi, taxi, taxi. I was just saying taxi, and this guy's like, you want taxi? It saves me, and I know it is a fair way. It's like 45 minutes. So this will be my first lesson, as it always is when you arrive in a new country. He just said 200, which is $40. Who am I to say that's too expensive or not? Like, I've never been here, so I don't really care at this point. 40 bucks to go 45 to an hour across the other side of town. As long as I get there, he'll be happy. It saves me going downstairs and waving down people. Oh, how are you, me? How? I'm just happy that, you know, he knows the place and I'm going there. After 51 hours of traveling, comes to that point where you go, whatever. I mean, I couldn't even find the taxi rank. Oh, hey, I've got all the luggage, bud. He's walking fast. Maybe I think he's a freelancer, I'm not sure. What I'll do is when I get Didi up, or their taxi apps up, then I'll calculate how much it is to get back here. Just to do a comparison, be half that price, to be honest. Maybe not even. All right. Oh, we're going downstairs. Is this looking good? I'm not sure. Am I worried? Not at all. I'm weird like that. Oh, he's got his electric car. Fucking. He's got a roof rack. Oh, thank you. Oh. It's all right, peeps. You just had it downstairs on charge. You know, like your little matchbox car. And with them maps also. We'll have to check the pollution index too. It's looking pretty smoggy. Because I think we're generally heading closer to the airport. So obviously the plans are, I've got 5 nights in Shanghai and to explore a few things if I get all these apps working, otherwise it's going to be an absolute balls up. And if I get the feel for it, I do. If I don't, well, it'll be straight to the airport. And whether or not we just go to Beijing, or do we get out of China and go straight to Japan? because we're not that far from Japan as we speak, flight-wise. So they're the plans. Let's be positive. Everything will work out. I just need a couple of days really to get everything sorted within the apartment. So that's why, you know, is to get pizza, get beers, wash clothes, sort this internet out. Yeah, so it's 19.5 degrees outside. It's beautiful. Wow, it feels warm actually from being in -10 and at 4,000 plus meters for the last forever. Never thought I'd say 19.5 degrees was warm, but it is. I think I'm going to pay this one with cash, not Alipay, because could always add on an extra 0, so instead of 40 it could be 400. So I'm going to play it safe. That's what my gut tells me. That's what I'm going to do. Always go with your gut. Yeah, be interesting to see how much this ride is with the taxi companies. Obviously freelance, but that's cool. Help a brother out. You know when things are getting bad, when you can start smelling yourself. Be 2.5 days, no shower. Yeah, I'll let your imagination run wild on that one. Oh, he's good, this guy. Very good. Got everything. Have I got everything? All right, I just gave him 200 and he said 280. And I'm like, brother, you said 200. He was like, and then I couldn't open the door. And lucky I had the window down, so I opened it from the outside. So that did take us, that took us 38 minutes and 45 seconds. So nearly $1 a minute, which I'm totally happy with, which is going to be, okay. This could be a mission, guys. All right, looks the goods around here, but like it looks pretty happening. Oh yeah, I did see that sunning.co.com. Now, I'm just gonna get some photos ready in case I see some security. All right. Well, there's going to be plenty to do around here for the next 2 days, that's for sure, without even needing to go anywhere. I don't know what any of that is about. This is a trippy place. Now, he was saying that this bit, oh, and there's the train station right there. It would have been an easier option for me, but how was I going to buy a ticket? I didn't even know where I was going. Okay, everywhere. I know it's one of these buildings, and I think it is this one here. So let's just go inside. Let's see security. Just need to find somebody that speaks English, just one person, that's it. I couldn't see anything on them signs out there. Oh, yes. I saw these ladies here selling amazing English books. Amazing English books. So I just asked them and I said, do you speak English? And they said no. But they know the place, so she's kindly taking me there.
Which country are you from?
Australia.
Okay.
Yeah. English very good. English only language. Wow, this is a big place. She said second or third floor. Sometimes you just gotta ask, guys. Oh, there's Starbucks. Whoa. Woo!
And a bookstore, yes or no?
No. Apartments. Apartment. So there goes so sleep. I don't know if it's that building there. All right, we've just asked some other girls because I think she got communication wrong and thought I was looking for a bookstore. So I think it's, I couldn't see a reception outside. Have a look at this electric car. Woo. Mate, that's wild. The Chinese people are very helpful. Let's just get that right. Thank you. Thank you.
Go along this road.
Oh, along here? So we're coming back the way that I've already come. Did I miss something? I did walk straight past here, but I saw all these boxes. And I don't know. Building B. Yeah, we're B. She was an absolute star, honestly. I would have never found, whoo, what a mission, what a little honey. Oh my God. Oh, we made it. That's like 52, what's the time? It is nearly 2 o'clock. So all up, guys, and I asked for a high floor and she gave me a high floor. Everything I asked for. She was amazing. She said, no, I'll take you because you're in building B. If she hadn't taken me here, and then you've got a code, you haven't got a card. Oh man. All right, this is going to be home for the next 5 nights. And she said, oh, you're only here for 1 night, you'll have this room. And I said, no, I'm here for 5 nights. So she upgraded me. Look, there's no TV here, man. It's full projector, brother. All right, it's time to unwind, chill out, have a shower. I'm glad I had something to eat at Starbucks, so I don't need to go out straight away. But as you can see on the way here, everything's there. All right, I'll check in later. 53-hour mission. See ya.